next we'll go to options. Options is a very tricky subject. Don't worry, options is little confusing. Options, if you think it as a business or a lottery business, then only you will understand options. If you think this is a very plain subject like shares, buying shares, selling shares, that leave it. That is only in futures, intraday and delivery. In options, you don't buy shares. Just forget that shares or buying shares, selling shares, all that leave it. In futures, you are buying premium prices or a strike prices. Futures is just like a lottery betting, just like a lottery business. How lottery business does? Someone is selling the lottery, someone is buying the lottery. So someone is winning the lottery, many are losing the lottery. Same replica business is options. That's the reason everyone is interested in options. You can sell the lottery ticket also, you can buy the lottery ticket also. Options is a business. This is not a share. Sir, I'll buy share, sir. I'll keep it, sir. This is not like a share. This has a expiry date. So after expiry date, lottery will be thrown into dustbin. Just like that, options also is a expiry date. Expiry date is same. Weekly expiry is there and monthly expiry is there. We have weekly expiry also. We have monthly expiry also. Weekly expiry will expire on every Thursday. See, this Thursday, next March 10th is a Thursday, right? Upcoming Thursday. March Thursday is a expiry. Every Thursday is a expiry date. Next monthly expiry will happen on last Thursday of the month. Last Thursday of the month is a monthly expiry. Weekly expiry is on every Thursday. Weekly expiry will happen. There are two things. Let me show you. See, in options, we have two things called call option and put option. You need to buy this call lottery ticket when you think market goes up. You need to buy this put lottery ticket when you think market is going to crash. Why I'm telling this lottery ticket means there is a big reason behind this thing. If I just say in the plain words like a dictionary or a whatever the person, your college lecturers or one who does a bookish knowledge, you will never understand the stock market. Stock market is a practical subject. This is not a theory subject. That's the reason I'm using all these things. See, call means if whenever you're betting, see, options is like a betting or a lottery business. If you bet market goes up, we need to buy call option. Just make a bracket or the notes I have given. I think notes is very clear. The notes I have given, notes derivatives. I think I shared today. Everyone got the notes, I guess. That notes I have given.
No, Raj, I didn't get.
The group, did I share, sir?
No idea.
Yeah, everyone, everything I shared in the group.
Okay.
This derivatives, 9 pages notes.
Okay, let me go through that. I am not.
Yeah, call means if you bet market goes up, we need to buy call. Put means if you bet market is going to crash, we need to buy put option. This much you need to understand. Call means betting higher, put means betting lower. That's it. Next, if you want to buy call option, it is not like a share market or shares. You know those things. We need to buy strike prices. What is strike prices? Let me discuss. Strike prices means it is just like this: 14,950, 15,000, 15,000, 14,900, like this. There will be intervals of 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 15,000, 50, 15,100, 15,150. Like this, there will be intervals. You can buy any interval you want. There is no rule that I have to buy this call option only, I have to buy that call option only. No rules. You can buy any interval. But make sure that you buy nearest call option where market is moving. Where market is moving or where market is crashing, you buy nearest call option or you buy nearest put option. We need to buy strike prices. The formula to buy this call option or put option is amount required is equal to lot size into premium price. Lot size into premium price. PP means premium price. What is lot size? Same. For Nifty, it is 75. For Bank Nifty, it is 25. For ACC, it is 500. For Infosys, it is 600. For Reliance, it is 300. For Asian Paints, it is 300, like this. For Nestle, it is 10, like that. See, lot size into premium price. This is the formula to calculate the amount required to buy call option or put option. See, options is like a betting. It is not like a share. Sir, can you give me one share? No. This is like a betting. You cannot buy one share, two shares. We need to buy the betting slot. You need to buy the lottery ticket. To buy the lottery ticket, you need to pay some money. That money is called premium price. To buy the lottery ticket, you need to pay the premium price. So formula is lot size into premium price. If you just pay the premium price, they will not allow. You have to pay full amount. Full amount means lot size into premium price. That much money you should have in your trading account. Let me take you to the live example. So just click on this money control app. So today market has fallen. Everyone knows 142 points. Today put option people made money. Let me see who has made money. Can you see? 15,000 put option. Let's say I bought 15,000 put option yesterday. So can you see here? I bought yesterday 15,000 put option paying 164 rupees. 164 into 75. This formula everyone knows. Can you tell me the answer? How much money you invested yesterday? How much money you paid to buy this put option? Put option. Can you see this put option? PE means put option. CE means call option. PE means put extension. CE means call extension. 164 into 75. Just do the multiplication. School mathematics.
12,300.
Yes, you paid 12,300 and you bought one put option and market crashed. See, put means betting lower. Lower means you are betting, you are buying a lottery ticket, are you doing a gambling, or you are doing a option buying. You are doing one option buying. You guessed yesterday evening. Yesterday was Thursday. You thought today market will crash and you bought one put option. Today market crashed. We need to give the price, right? See, you bought a lottery ticket. If you want the price, we need to give the money. So we are giving how much? It went to 274. If you are happy with this huge money, you would have made huge money. But if you had booked this at 274, you would have made around how much? Let's say 100 rupees, 7,500 would have made. More than 7,000, 8,000 profit would have made. But you just waited. But end of the day, the premium didn't move much. Just 26 rupees profit. 26 rupees profit means 26 into 75. That much is a profit. How much money you made? End of the day, 26 into 75.
1,090.
Yeah, for an investment of 12,000, you made 1,950 profit end of the day. But in between, there was 8,000 money dancing on your mobile screen or in a laptop screen or on any screen. The money was dancing. Can you see? You bought at 164. In between, it went to 274. In between the day. But you didn't book the profit. It closed at 190. But you are making money. So 8,000 profit was dancing on your mobile screen for an investment of 12,000. If you booked it, that 8,000 is yours. If you didn't book it, that 8,000 is not yours. See, premium prices will fluctuate every millisecond. For every millisecond, premium prices will be going up, coming down, going up, coming down. Why it goes up? See, put option premium goes up only when market is crashing. When market is going upside, when Nifty is going upside, put option premium will melt down. See, today market crashed. Put people, those who bought put people, they made money. Let me show you call people. Go to options, take call option. Can you see the expiry date? Expiry date is weekly expiry. Let me take same example, 15,000 call option. So how much money did they lose? How much money did they lose? Let's say. Can you see 243? Can you see 158? How much money these people lost? Yesterday you bought one call option. Why you bought call option? You betted market will go up, but exactly ulta happened. You lost money. See, if your betting goes wrong, we have to punish you. They gave a punishment. They snatched your money. How much money did they snatch you from you?
85 rupees.
Yeah. Now, one simple question, sir. Sir, call option people lost 85 rupees. Put option people made just 26 rupees. Where did the rest of our money go? So I'll show you. This is a Edelweiss app. So I'll just do it later. This is a very good app. See, this is a Edelweiss app. Download this app called Edelweiss. Just go to Play Store. I'll share you this app details later. Just type Edelweiss. So I'll just go to this home button. Can you see this home button? I'll click on this derivatives. Where I will click on this derivatives. Make a flowchart. Make a flowchart where to click, what to do. Because if you want to understand options, you need to have a Edelweiss app. Else you will never understand options. So options is not everyone's cup of tea. But if you understand options, there is no limit for your stock market success. So stock market, if you want to succeed in this field, you need to learn options in depth, not just plain way. This is not a plain masala dosa. You have to go in depth. You have to go inside the ocean, not inside the lake. So now let me see. Let me take you to this Edelweiss app. See, options, very big subject, options. To teach options, there are people who are charging 10 lakh rupees. Keep this in mind. To learn options, you need to pay 10 lakh rupees to the person called PR Sundar. If you have doubts in my words, just go home, just go. Once you finish the class, go to YouTube or go to PR Sundar website. Just see the mentorship program. Just to teach you options, he charges 10 lakh rupees because so much secrets are hidden inside this game called options. The one secret I'll reveal today straight away. See, in options, you are a buyer. Who is buyer? Let's say Shashank is buyer. I am a seller. See, if you are buying means someone has to sell. These things you know, intraday. If you are buying a lottery ticket, someone has to sell the lottery ticket. To sell the lottery ticket, the government has put a condition. You need to deposit 1.6 lakh rupees. This is a checkmate. Let's say I am a big shot. I have hundreds of crores or I have lakhs of rupees. Let's say I have 10 lakh rupees. For me, money is not a matter. What I do, I will just put 3.2 lakh rupees in my trading account. I will sell one call option. What I am doing, I am selling one call option and I am selling one put option. What I am doing, very simple. To buy an option, you need to pay premium price into lot size. That is a story that you know. To buy the lottery ticket, you need to pay me the lottery amount that you know. To see the movie, you need to pay me the movie ticket money. To run the movie, you need to have a big money. To run the movie or to start a theater, you need to have the big money. To go to casino and play a game, you need to have less money. And to run the casino, you need to have bigger money. Option selling is like a running a casino. Option buying is like a going to casino and playing a game. Who will make more money or who will be on the profit side always? Casino runner or casino owner or the person who comes to casino and play the game?
Owner.
Yes, very simple answer, owner. See, I just sold. What I am telling, carefully observe. Let's say Madhusudan sir bought one call option, sir. Let's say Sandeep sir bought one put option. So he's having network issue. So a lot of network issue. See, one of you bought call option. This one. 15,000 call option one of you bought yesterday evening. Very simple. Make it very simple. See, yesterday evening you bought one lottery ticket, call lottery ticket or call option you bought. To buy call option, how much money you paid? Can you see? 243 rupees. Can you see here 243? Everyone is seeing, I guess. You bought 243. You expected market will go up and you bought this call option. But what happened? Market crashed. Now your
Where is
premium
the
went down.
243, Manoj?
Previous close.
Previous close. So previous close, can you see? Yesterday you bought this at this price, but today
Yes,
it closed at 86 rupees downwards. So you lost 86 rupees. That is how much money is our loss? 86 into 75 multiplication ಮಾಡಿ answer ಹೇಳಿ. 86 into 75. So I think in this group, everyone knows Kannada, I guess.
6,450.
It's a 6,000.
450.
6,450 loss over. See, you lost 6,000 rupees. Let's say you bought one call option, you lost 6,000. Or let's say another person bought one put option. He made just 25 rupees profit. 25 rupees profit. Let's say one person bought call option, another person bought put option. One person is losing 6,000. Another person is winning just 1,600 rupees or 2,000, let's say. Where is the remaining amount is going? Can someone answer? To the option seller, remaining amount goes. See, if you're an option buyer, there has to be some other counterparty or a counter person. That person name is called option seller. That is the other side of a coin, which many people don't know. Many people in India knows only option buying. They think option selling is a crime or it is impossible. So option selling everyone can do, even you can do. Today, yesterday evening, you sold one call option, you sold one put option, and you just slept aram. Say you are doing your work. End of the day, how much money you got? Difference, can you tell me the difference? 3,600 rupees profit. How I am telling this much money? I sold one call option, I collected 86 rupees profit. I sold one put option, I lost 25 rupees. See, put option people won the match. I have to give them the gift. I gave them 25 rupees profit to them. Call option lost the match. I will collect 86 rupees. I have punished them. I have taken 86 rupees. Remaining amount goes to my pocket. See, premium price crashing means that is a profit for me. If premium price rises means that is a loss for me. I am the option seller. I am not a normal person. I am not a lottery ticket buyer. I am lottery ticket seller. I am a casino owner. Did you understand this casino owner concept? Casino owner just sells the call option and put option and sleeps aram se. End of the day, money will come and fall on him. Even if he says don't want, the money will follow him and chase him like anything. But risk is very high here. This is not a very easy topic. So this needs to be told in the, this will complete little later. Just I'll give a gap for you. Collect as much as information, try to work on these options as much as you can. You will see YouTube videos or whatever you see, collect basic information about options, or I'll give the assignment. I'll share you in a WhatsApp. Just do the assignments. What is your assignment is sit in front of a Nifty chart. Where is a Nifty chart? You need to open in laptop, or if you're in a mobile, let's say you're outside. This is a Nifty chart. See, this is a Nifty chart. Take 5 minutes candle like this. Take 5 minutes candle in the laptop. So you go to tradingview.com. So tradingview.com, just open tradingview.com, take the 5 minutes candle, sit in front of a laptop and see this candle's movement. For every candle movement it gives, this option chain is there, no? How to see option chains? Click on this derivative, click on this option chain. This option premiums will be jumping, falling, dancing, however, whatever it does. Keep observing this premium prices movement. These are all called premium prices. This is a premium price. This is a premium price. This is called all strike prices. This is called, this is put. These are all calls. These are all puts. See, do this assignment, you'll understand options, or you start trading in option buying. If you do option buying, then you'll understand option selling. So option selling is another side of a coin, which many people don't know in India. They know only one side of a coin. Sir, I'll buy, sir, I'll sell, sir. I'll buy, sir, I'll sell, sir. They don't know sell first, buy next in options. In options, you can sell first also, buy next also. So keep a comma, don't keep full stop for options. Just keep a comma. So we'll continue these options probably after 4-5 sessions or 6 sessions. Options is a very big topic. If I start this options in depth, I'll minimum need 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours to complete these options. So just understand, options is a very, very tough subject, but I will make it very, very easy. Don't worry. So options, but you need to put lot of efforts here. See, stock market is not a, you don't take it as a granted. I'll sit, sir. I'll trade, sir. I'll make lakhs, sir. It is not so easy, sir. It's not so easy. You have to put lot of efforts and you need to be a continuous learner. You have to be positively motivated and you need to, it is not a book. You read it. If you get sleep, tomorrow you read it. See, if you, this is a continuous dynamic subject. If you are getting sleep also, you need to know what is happening in this stock, why, what may happen tomorrow. You need to monitor and you need to analyze the things. If you don't monitor, you lose money here. There is a book you can read today or tomorrow. Every day we need to get updated with the charts. What has happened to the charts? What has, which candle has formed today? What may happen tomorrow? Those things you have to understand. Those things will teach you from tomorrow. So this completes a basic course on a stock market. From tomorrow, we'll start an advanced technical course. Are you clear? Options. Pakka you will get a doubts. Pakka you will think, this is not understandable. This is not understandable. So keep this in mind. Wherever you don't say, you say not understanding means there only money is there. If you say you don't understand, you are missing a big thing in stock market. See, whichever question you live in the while reading, I think you have done engineering, all this graduation, I guess. Whichever topic you leave, right, that question will only come in your examination. Same thing in stock market. Which topic you don't focus, which you think it is tough, that topic where there only money is very high. If you do trading, which is very easy, buy karo, sell karo, sabhi karta. If you do that also, gone. Your money is zero. Just think, if you do buying, selling, you will lose money like anything. You should never do buying, settings, trading. This is not your cup of tea. I'll give the strategy where you need to predict 600 points. If market comes and sits within that range, you will make money. There is no need to buy karo, sell karo, see the charts. So there are some other techniques which I'll teach you, where if market stays within that 600 or 800 or 1000 points range, you will guaranteely make the money, which KR Sundar does. Yes, any doubts? We'll continue.